Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the cozy world of car seat covers with a close look at the MIROZO Car Seat Covers. These bad boys promise to keep your seats protected and look stylish. So, buckle up as we examine these covers profoundly and see if they live up to the hype. First things first, let's talk about design and quality. These seat covers are crafted with a blend of polyester and spandex, making them durable and stretchy enough to snugly fit over most car seats. The material feels plush and soft to the touch, adding a touch of luxury to your ride. Plus, they come in various sleek designs to suit any taste. Now let's delve into the unique features that make these seat covers a cut above the rest. Their universal fit design is a game changer, allowing for easy installation on almost any car seat, whether a sedan, SUV, or truck. They're also a perfect match for heated and cooled seats, ensuring you don't compromise on comfort for style. One of the standout benefits of these seat covers is their water-resistant and machine-washable design. This makes them a breeze to clean and a boon for those with messy kids or pets. The added anti-slip backing ensures they stay securely in place, even during the most spirited drives, adding to their durability. So how do these seat covers compare to the competition? Compared to other covers in the same price range, the MIROZO car seat covers offer exceptional quality and durability. Their snug fit and anti-slip backing set them apart from cheaper alternatives that can slide around or wrinkle easily. The water-resistant material, universal fit design, and easy installation are definite highlights for the pros. However, one potential downside is that the material may not be as breathable as other options on the market. You might find them stuffy on long drives if you live in a hot climate. Despite the minor drawback, the MIROZO car seat covers are a solid choice for anyone looking to protect their seats in style. The durability, ease of cleaning, and sleek design make them a standout option in the crowded world of car seat covers. In conclusion, if you're in the market for high-quality seat covers that will keep your seats looking fresh and stylish for years to come, look no further than the MIROZO car seat covers. While they may not be the cheapest option, the investment is well worth it for knowing that your seats are protected. So these seat covers are worth considering whether you're a parent, pet owner, or someone who loves to keep their car looking pristine. If you're intrigued by the MIROZO car seat covers, click the Amazon link below in the description to explore the current price and available colors. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more car seat cover reviews, and let us know in the comments what car seat covers you use and love. Until next time, keep it cozy, gearheads.